Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your country on Shein app. Do you know how to fix or how to solve Shein app? It's not working on your country. You should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.